How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook if it's blocked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook if it's blocked. Start by opening the browser and going to the Roblox website. Log into your account and select any game from the home page or search for a specific one. Then click on the game to open its details page. Then click the play button to start the game. If the game doesn't load due to restrictions, try connecting to a different network, using a VPN extension from the Chrome Web Store or accessing Roblox through a cloud gaming service. Once you get it working, you can explore and play more games the same way. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.